Hey everyone, so in this video I'll show you how to remove the rear taillight on a Sprinter. You do this normally to change a bulb if any of the bulbs are blown. What you want to start by doing is removing the 3 bolts. So these Torx bolts, there's one there, and one down there. There's 3 bolts. When you remove those bolts, I'll show you what to do next. You have to be very careful because it's held in by plastic clips. So when you remove those 3, you want to just gently pull this out. See how I've just pulled it out a little bit? You want to gently do that. Then you want to come over to this side. When you're at this side, you want to use a plastic removal tool like this. And you want to slot it in there. And you want to pry it this way. Because there's little clips that are pushed in this way. One there, and one there. So 3 in total. So put this in there. And pull out. Like so. Gently pull out. Then your whole tail light assembly is free. Go ahead and remove the connector and just remove the bulb holder held in by that tab there, that one there, that one there, and the bottom one. So you just open these tabs here, there, there. So when you change the bulb, make sure you put the seal in because it can sometimes pop up. Make sure you push this in nicely so that it prevents water from going near the circuit. And you can go ahead and slot it back in there. When you finish changing your bulbs, start from the bottom up. So just slot it in here. Make sure they all clip in like so. Then you want to line up these 3 plastic clips. Clip them in there like that and put your Torx screws or bolts back in. When you put all those bolts back in, then you can go ahead and just test the light, make sure it's working as it should, and then you're all done. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.